What's up everyone? This is a quick video of a review and install of a storage solution for your RZR from a 570 all the way up to a 1000 XP. We're getting installed on this 900. It's a storage option from Kemi Moto, and I'm going to show you how I got this bag installed with some quick, easy steps, and also a little review about it and what it can hold while you're out hitting the trail. So let's get started.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your...
Alright, so here we've got the Kemi Moto bag. It's actually really well built. I love the zippers on it. They're really easy to open and close. They also have like a little bit of a water dust protector on the zipper. They also have another pouch here, smaller pouch there, and then also another pouch inside, and a pretty deep pocket for the main pocket. There's no drilling or anything to install this on your RZR. This will fit a 570 up to the 1000 two-seater. No problem at all, and I'll kind of show you a little bit about what it fits. So I like to always take like trail guided maps and all that kind of stuff, so you can put those in there. Gloves. Also in this little pocket, if you wanted to put your wallet and your keys in it, that'd be perfect. You can zip that up and have a place. I always like to take a tire repair kit. You can find this on Amazon. This one's a Smitty built kit. Comes with everything that you need for tire plugs and all that kind of stuff. So if you wanted to, you can put that in there. I also like to do a little first aid kit, nothing too crazy, but this will also go in there. And then you can go ahead and zip that up. And then also here's another pouch. You know, you can do the cell phone, you do all that. I can fit the goggles in here easy enough and close it up. Or if you're taking some headgear for if it's cold outside or dust or whatever, you can fold that up and put it in the small compartment. Just for easy access between your seats. So that will go there. So as you can see, it holds quite a bit of stuff without a problem. So now what we'll do is we'll jump into the install. We're actually going to be putting this on a Trail Edition 900 RZR, and it's going to fit nicely. So we'll go over to the machine now, show you guys how to get this installed. Okay, so when installing this storage bag, you're going to want to have the seats in, and you're going to look where the center is, and it looks like this access point to the motor is pretty much center of the seats. So we'll know that this basically is where we're going to center the bag, and it's going to come up and install on the roll cage here, and it's a quick, easy install. So we'll jump right into the video, show you guys how to install the storage bag. Okay, so once we got the seats out, it's pretty simple. You have the access point to the motor right here, and that's pretty much dead center of the two seats. So we know we're going to mount the storage bag from here up into the roll bars. There's absolutely no drilling involved here. It's a simple removal of this bolt, and that bolt is probably all we're going to have to do in order to install this bag. So I'll go ahead and get those removed, and then we will get the bag on. Okay, so after you remove the two bolts here, this bottom piece actually comes with two hooks that are pretty simple to put in here. So that's where I removed it, just so we can lift it up a little bit, and you'll be able to access the panel and get those hooks under. Once you got the hooks under, it will pull up to here, and then this is where we're going to want to basically bring this around. Just like that. And this one we'll go ahead and do the same. And just make sure when you put these straps over that they're all nice and straight and that they aren't kinked or anything like that. before I wrap up with my last final thoughts on this product, this storage bag from Kemi Moto, I'm gonna walk you over to my Terex and show you another product of theirs that I've been using for a couple years now that have worked out awesome on my machine. So let's go take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna walk over here to the Terex and show you guys on my machine. I have actual cup holders made by the same company, Kemi Moto. So I have 4 of them. These are mounted lower, they're on each side, and as you can tell, they actually hold a full-size flask. I bought this one from Costco, but these work out great. They were purchased off Amazon. We'll have the link of those in the description below, but they have held up great. They've been awesome, no rips or tears. I've pressure washed them several times, no problems at all. They got a little area for other little things that you might want to hold in there. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys because they are an awesome product. All right, so that wraps up our quick install and review video of the Kemi Moto storage bag for the Polaris RZR. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also in the comments below, let us know what you think about this bag, if you've used it already or a bag similar. Also let us know what other options are out there for storage for your UTV. I know they make a lot of storage bags for the doors, for the upper area above your head, through the roll cage as well. Let us know what works best for you guys. Also make sure at this time that you hit that little bell, and then that will go off after you subscribe to let you guys know when we put out a new video. So if you have any other comments or anything that you'd like to share, make sure you leave them below. Also again, check out that description for that link and discount code, and also the link to the cup holders on the Terex that fit multiple machines. Until next time, this is Garrett with the Ranged Off-Road.
Young, or am I faking on the tip of my tongue?